Apple has released the first public iOS 17 beta, Beta 3, for some days. So in this video we'll show you how to install iOS 17 public beta. It's free. First, back up your iPhone. Spend some minutes backing up your iPhone using iCloud or iTunes. This way you can ensure that your data will be safe once your iPhone's stuck in the update system process. Then enroll in the Apple Beta software program. Navigate to Safari. Input Apple Beta Program website. beta.apple.com into Safari and visit the official website. Click on Sign In button. Enrolled with your Apple ID, and then agree to the terms and conditions shown on the page. Finally, install the iOS 17 public beta. You'll find a link named Enroll Your iOS Device. Click on it. Now scroll down to Find and hit Open Beta Updates button. This will lead you to Settings. You can locate the iOS 17 public beta. Next, you will begin the installation process, but before that, please ensure your iDevice situation is as follows. First, there is enough available space for the new system. Second, to maintain stability, connect to a Wi-Fi network. Third, during the update, charge your device. These will ensure that you won't get stuck during the upgrade process. It begins the installation process now. Congratulations, you are now using iOS 17 public beta. Here to note that beta versions of software will contain bugs or instability. So if you feel uncomfortable with iOS 17 system, you can use unique tool Uninstall to downgrade to iOS 16. I have put a free download link at the bottom of the screen. I will share iOS 17 features in the next videos. And if you find this video helps, don't forget to drop a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel. Bye.